Hi, I'm Zach, sleep expert at Tuck. Today we'll be taking a look at the Leesa Legend Hybrid Mattress. This is Leesa's newest mattress, and it's a luxury hybrid offering. But how does it stack up to Tuck's tests? Keep watching to find out. We brought in some outside help to show how the mattress performs for different body types and to hear additional opinions from a variety of voices. Assisting us today, we have lightweight sleeper Jenny, average weight sleeper Wilfred, and heavyweight sleeper Jerica. Setting up the Leesa Legend mattress is easy. We recommend having a friend around because while the mattress is compressed, it's a bit bulky and heavy for one person. Move the mattress to its final destination, unwrap it, and watch it come to life. Recovery should happen within the first 24 hours. The Leesa Legend mattress is a 12-inch hybrid mattress. The cover is made from a blend of polyester, recycled PES, organic cotton, merino wool, rayon, and spandex. Recycled PES is a polyester made from recycled water bottles. The comfort layer consists of 1 inch of aerated polyfoam on top of 1 inch of memory foam. Over a 1.5 inch zoned layer that features microcoils at the head and foot of the bed and stabilizing foam in the midsection. This is all atop 1 inch of transitional polyfoam. The support core is made up of 6 inches of 15-gauge pocketed coils with a reinforced edge, over 1 inch of high-density polyfoam base. The Leesa Legend is a 6 on the firmness scale, making it a medium for a mattress. It falls in that universal comfort zone, which most people find comfortable. The mattress is very responsive, but not too bouncy. Though this bed boasts a lot of coils, we still found it conforming. The softer comfort foams and the microcoils will let sleepers sink in a bit, but the 15-gauge pocketed coils will keep you propped up. The Leesa Legend provides that best of both worlds feel that hybrids are known for, though it's closer to a conforming innerspring feel than a foam top hybrid. To measure support, we look at the spinal alignment of each of our sleepers when sleeping on their side. As you can see, the Leesa Legend provided adequate support for all of our sleepers, with our lightweight sleeper Jenny receiving a touch more. This can be attributed to the zone support throughout the mattress, with the head and the foot of the bed including a layer of microcoils to further assist in pressure relief. Motion isolation refers to how well a mattress isolates or absorbs motion, and how well it keeps that motion from reaching your partner. To demonstrate this, we placed a water glass on one side of the bed and had our heavyweight sleeper Jerica move around on the opposite side. You can see while the glass stayed put on the mattress, there was quite a bit of movement in the water. This is to be expected with such a responsive bed. However, when we tested the mattress with multiple sleepers getting on and off, and tossing and turning, we hardly felt any movement. We found the softer comfort foams and individually pocketed coils do enough to minimize transfer of motion and prevent nighttime disturbances. Edge support refers to how much a mattress holds you up or pushes back against you while sitting on or sleeping close to the side of the bed. Mattresses with worse edge support leave sleepers with a feeling of roll-off. Our testing found that the Leesa Legend provided quality edge support when both sitting on and lying close to the edge of the bed. You may notice a little sinkage as our sleepers sit on the edge, but that's just the foam compressing. The coils in the mattress are pushing back and keeping them propped up. Additionally, the lower gauge coils along the perimeter of the mattress help to keep sleepers stable and supported. Using our 2D and 3D pressure mapping tools, we're able to look at how well mattresses relieve pressure on the body. You'll notice the scale goes from blue to green to yellow to red, indicating the amount of pressure pushing back against each sleeper. When it hits red, there's a higher likelihood of reduced blood flow in those specific sections of the body. Our testing found that the Leesa Legend provided worthy pressure relief across all sleepers. The 4.5 inches of comfort layers allowed sleepers to sink in as needed and relieve pressure. You'll notice that there's a touch of red on Jenny's shoulder when she was on her side, which can be attributed to her sharp frame. We don't see any other pressure in her readings. And the Legend performed exceptionally well for our average and heavyweight sleepers. Temperature neutrality refers to whether a mattress disperses heat from your body, allowing for breathability and airflow. We found the Leesa Legend stayed pretty cool, thanks in a large part to the coils in both the comfort layers and the support core. There is an ample amount of airflow throughout this mattress, making for a cool sleep surface. Before we move on, let's take a moment to check in with our sleepers. Wilfred, tell me what you thought about the Leesa Legend.
I think overall it's a pretty great mattress. It seemed like it has a pretty good build quality, but a little too soft for my taste.
I liked this mattress. I like the comfortability, and I like how it's like soft but also firm at the same time.
This is a really good mattress. I enjoyed the sleep on the bed. It was nice.
Yeah, what was your favorite thing about it?
My favorite is how comfy it is. It just kind of reminds me of when I'm out, I would want to be at home sleeping on this mattress.
How is that edge support? Getting close to it, sleeping close to it? Did you feel like you were supported?
It's a little bit too soft for my taste.
Gotcha,
Yeah.
okay. Did you ever feel like you were gonna fall off at all?
Yeah.
Really? Okay.
Yes, while laying down, I felt like I was supported. Sitting on the side, I do feel it kind of compressing, but laying down overall, it was fine.
It's a little bit soft for my taste. It compresses quite a bit. I think the springs in here are on the looser side. Just not my cup of tea.
What about the temperature of this bed? Did it sleep warm or cool?
I stayed pretty cool, but it was cozy. It stayed cool or warm enough for me to fall asleep and not be too hot and need to, toss anything. It was actually pretty neutral.
And what was your favorite position in this bed?
Actually, I liked sleeping on my back on this bed. I think it's like softer, like in the middle. I feel like my back is like more supported when I lay on this bed.
How it had to be my side. I felt very comfortable, like everything was even as far as my pressure points, and I wasn't having any problems.
What do you think about how well this mattress did as far as cutting down on any shake or shimmy from people getting in or out of the mattress?
I was actually pretty impressed by that. I felt pretty much little to no effect on myself.
I felt just a tad bit of movement, but it wasn't enough to make me feel like I was gonna wake up in the middle of my sleep. So it was just, again, just very cozy and very comforting.
Yeah.
It wasn't a nuisance at all.
Right on,
Yeah.
okay. Well, thanks so much.
Thank you.
Now let's take a look at how the Leesa Legend stacked up in our mattress testing. We found lightweight support to be very good, average weight support to be excellent, and heavyweight support to be good. All three sleeper weights received very good pressure relief. We rated motion isolation as good, and edge support and temperature neutrality as very good. Here are a few takeaways we found while testing the mattress. The Leesa Legend only comes in one firmness option, so if you know you prefer something softer or firmer, you may want to look elsewhere. Similarly, sleepers who prefer the feeling of memory foam or just a soft, plush feel may not appreciate the Leesa Legend. This is a medium firm bed made primarily of coils, so it doesn't feel plush and you won't sink too deep. It feels more like a conforming innerspring mattress than a plush hybrid. So some sleepers, and especially lightweight sleepers, may prefer something softer and more conforming. The Leesa Legend is a luxury mattress at a luxury price. Even after you apply our exclusive discounts for Tuck followers, this is still a pricier mattress and will likely be out of range for some sleepers. So who is the Leesa Legend mattress good for? We recommend this mattress for back sleepers. The firmness and support offered by the Leesa Legend should have back sleepers of all weights sleeping comfortably. Back sleepers tend to like firmer supportive mattresses, with just a bit of give, and the Leesa Legend does just that. Average weight side sleepers will find a nice balance of support and pressure relief with the Leesa Legend. Heavyweight side sleepers may also enjoy the mattress, but the construction suits that of an average weight sleeper best. Couples will enjoy the strong edge support and the motion isolation offered by the Leesa Legend. The coil support core provides support edge to edge, allowing for couples and co-sleepers to maximize their sleep surface. And despite that coil construction, the mattress provides above average motion isolation, so you won't feel your partner's movements. So before purchasing the Leesa Legend, here's some additional information you'll want to know. It comes with a 100-night sleep trial, 10-year warranty, and free shipping in the US. For the lowest prices available and exclusive tuck discounts, check the description below. That's it for the Leesa Legend review. What did you think of the mattress? Let us know in the comments below. We also welcome questions and feedback. Please give us a like and subscribe to our channel if you found this helpful. And as always, sleep well.